Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile REVVL 7 Pro 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the REVVL 7 Pro is a new budget smartphone, so it is now available in the Azure Rate blue color option, 256 gigabytes of storage, and there is the firmware there, front and back. You guys got your whole punch there for your front facing camera, the earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone has like 4 cameras, I think, and T-Mobile logo. So pretty cool. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. The back of the phone, like I said, I think there's a quad camera setup there, because you get your cameras here and it looks like your flash is right here off to the side of the cameras there, so that's pretty cool. And of course you got your T-Mobile logo there on back. Left side of the phone has micro SD and SIM card slot. The REVVL 7 Pro can be yours for free if you guys put your number over the Metro. Full retail price of the REVVL 7 Pro is $249.99, so not bad. Definitely worth checking out. Features: the REVVL 7 Pro does indeed have 4 cameras on the back. That is confirmed here in the specs here. So it has a 50 megapixel wide camera, 5 megapixel wide camera. The 50 megapixel camera is your main camera. The 5 megapixel camera is also a wide camera too. So you have 2 wide cameras. That's pretty cool. 2 megapixel macro camera, and then a 2 megapixel depth camera. 8 megapixel front facing camera. 35 hours of talk time, 20 days of standby time. A 20.5 by 9 aspect ratio, Full HD plus display. 2436 by 1080 pixel resolution. Other features include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 octa-core chipset, a 6.78 inch Full HD plus AMOLED display, quad camera system, 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, 5,000 mAh battery, 15 watt wireless charging capable, 5G of course, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, so you can use Google Pay on here. Hearing aid compatibility, of course, that's very nice. So it says here the T-Mobile REVVL 7 Pro 5G delivers an unbeatable combination of strong performance, reliability, and premium features. View or stream your favorite content on the vivid 6.78 inch Full HD plus AMOLED display that's smooth and easy on the eyes, with an adaptive display that automatically adjusts screen brightness. Capture life's most important moments perfectly with the REVVL 7 Pro's quad lens cameras, and optical image stabilization technology. Stay powered with a large, fast charging 5,000 mAh battery that keeps up with your day. The powerful processor lets you stream, game, and multitask easily from the palm of your hand on the nation's largest and fastest nationwide 5G network. So it's pretty cool. So here's a YouTube short on the REVVL 7 Pro. So y'all guys can just click the video there and watch it if you guys are interested. Specs: the REVVL 7 Pro has a 5,000 mAh battery, headphone jack, which is very nice to see, Type-C charging, connections. You have Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABG and an AC, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, so you can use Google Pay on here, like I just said. Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, Android 14, has 8 GB of RAM, 2 TB of micro SD card expansion, has 4G LTE, 5G of course, supported email platforms, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot of course, frequencies. The REVVL 7 Pro is 7.27 ounces dimensions. The REVVL 7 Pro is 6.64 inches height, 3.07 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. Alright. So what comes in the box is, of course, your REVVL 7 Pro smartphone, Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, safety and regulatory information, terms and conditions, and your SIM ejection pin. So you send itself in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The REVVL 7 Pro is now here at Metro. It's available now for free with the port-in, so definitely worth checking out. 256 gigabytes is a lot of storage on the phone, so that's not bad for a free phone if you can get it for free. So put your number over the Metro and get this phone for free. Definitely worth checking out. And it does have a quad camera setup there, so that's pretty cool. The front does look very nice, and yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.